Hey there, thumbnail masters. Today I'm going to show you a super simple way to create viral thumbnails using an amazing AI tool called ideogram.ai. Trust me, it's so easy that even if you're totally new to design, you'll be making awesome thumbnails like a pro in no time. Let's dive in. So what is ideogram.ai? It's a magical website that helps you create stunning images and graphics using AI. Think of it as your personal designer that never gets tired. You just type what you want, and ideogram.ai brings your ideas to life. It's perfect for creating thumbnails that grab attention and make people want to click on your video. Step 1. Accessing ideogram.ai. First things first. Open your browser and type ideogram.ai. You'll land on a super clean and colorful homepage. If it's your first time, you'll need to sign up. Don't worry, it's quick and free. Step 2. Choosing your thumbnail theme. Next, think about the kind of thumbnail you want. Is it for gaming, a vlog, or maybe a tutorial? Thumbnails are like the cover of a book. They should match the story inside. For this example, let's make a fun gaming thumbnail. Step 3. Typing your prompt. Now here's the fun part. In ideogram.ai, there's a big box where you can type your idea. I'll write a bright gaming thumbnail with colorful characters, bold text, and a glowing background. You can add more details if you want. Hit generate and let the AI work its magic. Apart from that, there is another way you can create your thumbnail with one click. Let's show you that now. You can copy the thumbnail of any of your favorite creator on YouTube and download the thumbnail. You know how to download the thumbnail, so I won't go into detail. Then open your ChatGPT and upload the image. You will also need to write a small prompt, which is give me the prompt for this image. As soon as you write this, some prompt text will appear in front of you. Paste this prompt in ideogram.ai and wait for a while. The thumbnails will appear in front of you and you can see that they are very interesting. Step 4. Downloading your thumbnail. Once you're happy with your design, hit the download button. You now have a viral worthy thumbnail ready to upload to your YouTube video. And there you have it. Friends, creating a viral thumbnail with AI is as easy. With ideogram.ai, you don't need any fancy tools or design skills. Just let your imagination run wild and this AI will do the rest. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what kind of thumbnails you're making. Thanks for watching.